Good news! PayPal is now available in Nigeria. And in this video, I will guide you through the steps for creating your Nigerian PayPal account. This account will enable you to receive payments from around the globe and withdraw funds directly to your Nigerian bank account. I've established a free WhatsApp community focusing on business enthusiasts and those interested in online money making. In this community, you will gain access to free information and updates, which I cannot always share in my videos. Join the group via the link in the video description. Now, let's get started on how to create your Nigerian PayPal account and receive payments legitimately. Firstly, launch your browser and enter paypal.com. Don't worry about needing a VPN, but I highly recommend using your mobile phone for this process. When you land on the PayPal website, it should automatically indicate that you are in Nigeria. Click on Sign Up and enter a Gmail address that hasn't been previously used for registering any PayPal account. After entering that address, click on Next. If you encounter any security checks, simply follow the instructions. Unlike when creating a UK or US PayPal account, you can utilize your Nigerian phone number here, ensuring it's a number you have not used for prior PayPal registrations. Make sure this phone number is active because a verification code will be sent to you. Once you receive the code via SMS, input it into the designated field. Following the entry of your verification code, you will be directed to create a strong password. Carefully complete the form that follows, ensuring all information is accurate. It is crucial that you remain truthful while filling out this section, as this account isn't intended for any fraudulent activities. Accuracy is vital. After submitting the form, click the button to agree with PayPal's terms and conditions. Then select Create Account. PayPal will prompt you for basic identification verification as part of the KYC Know Your Customer process. Ensure your face is well lit per the camera instructions, then capture your image. As for identification, use either your driver's license, international passport, or national ID card. Should you lack any of these, a voter's card is also acceptable for verification. When your KYC verification is successful, check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal. Click the link in that email to verify your account. If you are logged out afterward, log back in using your email address and newly created password to access your PayPal account. Next, to withdraw your earnings into your local bank account, it's essential that you create a Paga account. PayPal has collaborated with Paga to make this service available to Nigerians. To install the Paga app, simply search for it in your App Store. The KYC verification here will also need to be completed. You will need to enter your NIN as part of the verification process, just like with PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the required face capture once again. After verifying, create your Paga tag by selecting one of the available options. Congrats! You have successfully established a Paga account. It's now time to link your newly created PayPal account with your Paga account. Within the Paga app, go to the dashboard. Tap the drop-down arrow and choose the PayPal account option. If requested, verify your BVN or NIN for confirmation. After entering the necessary details, you will have the option to log into your PayPal account through the Paga Wallet app. Complete this step to link your PayPal account with Paga seamlessly. In case PayPal places a limitation on your account, don't be alarmed. This is a typical measure for verification of user information. Simply respond to any queries they may have. Lastly, remember that adhering to PayPal's guidelines for your Nigerian account is a must. Violating these rules may lead to either temporary locks or permanent bans on your account. Following the regulations ensures a smooth experience. You can now easily download the PayPal app from your preferred app store and enjoy all features without the worry of getting blocked. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.